Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove objects on your videos in CapCut PC. Just like this one, and I'm just going to copy and paste it, and I'm also going to freeze frame this. Go to mask and select the shape for your, for the object that you want to mask here. For me, I'll just mask this phone. So you're going to bring it to the side actually and go back to the basic and move it to cover up the phone. And here you're just going to mask it like this. If it moves, you can use keyframes for it. Here I'll use a keyframe here. Actually, I'll use a keyframe in the basic settings because I'll need it to move around. Like here, I'll add a keyframe, and then here, maybe I'll move it downwards a little to cover up the phone. That's pretty much it, really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.